Alright, let's talk about the smartphone that has everyone buzzing, the ridiculously slim Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. A recent hands-on video leak has finally given us a closer look at this beauty, and let me tell you, this phone is redefining sleekness. Samsung has truly gone all in on aesthetics this time. The Galaxy S25 Edge is just 5.84mm thick. Yes, you heard that right. It's as if Samsung put its flagship device on a strict diet and came out with this ultra-slim masterpiece. Now, Samsung first teased this phone back in January at the Unpacked event and later at MWC, but here's the catch. They only let us look at it. No hands-on experience, no real interaction, just a floating display like it was some kind of museum artifact. But now, thanks to this new leaked video, we can finally see how it looks in hand. And let's talk about the color options. Because, wow! This phone comes in titanium jet black, titanium icy blue, and titanium silver. But if we're being honest, the jet black variant steals the show. It has that premium high-end vibe that just screams luxury. The S25 Edge is about the same height and width as the regular Galaxy S25, but the major difference? It's much slimmer. And unlike most S25 models that rock 3 or more cameras on the back, the S25 Edge keeps it minimalistic with just 2 cameras, a design choice that reminds us of the Samsung Z Flip series. But don't let the slim profile fool you, this phone is still a beast in terms of specs. The camera setup is absolutely stacked. 200MP main sensor. Yep, that's flagship-level photography right there. 50MP ultra-wide camera for those stunning landscape shots. 12MP front camera for ultra-clear selfies. Basically, this phone has enough megapixels to capture every single detail, even the pores on your face. Now, let's talk about performance. Samsung has equipped the S25 Edge with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which means you're getting blazing fast gaming performance, seamless multitasking, lightning-fast app launches. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or just flying through social media apps, this phone won't slow you down. Now, here's where things get a little questionable. The 3,900 mAh battery. On paper, that sounds a bit small for a powerhouse like this. But knowing Samsung, they're probably using advanced software optimizations to make sure battery life doesn't disappoint. That being said, we can't help but wonder, why not go for a 4,500 mAh battery using silicon carbon tech? Other brands are already experimenting with it, and it could have made this phone the perfect balance of slimness and battery power. So, what's the final verdict? Well, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge is shaping up to be one of Samsung's most stylish and premium smartphones yet. With its ultra-thin body, high-end materials, and powerful specs, it's got a lot going for it. But will the battery hold up? Will Samsung introduce silicon carbon tech in the future? Only time will tell. If you're excited about this phone or have thoughts on Samsung's latest innovation, drop a comment below. And if you want more deep dives into the latest tech, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, peace.